Looking for a highly equipped compact SUV with all the right options and reliability? Well, take a look at this certified pre-owned 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited in bright white. With bi-xenon HID headlamps, LED fog lamps, 18-inch tech gray aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, a tow package, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, a heated steering wheel, only 41,000 miles on the odometer, an 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, a rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, ParkSense rear park assist with stop, a dual-pane panoramic sunroof, a power liftgate, powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5508.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.